Your image on Leonardo AI. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Artists YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can upscale your image on your Leonardo.ai account. But before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive all the latest update. Now let's begin the tutorial. Okay guys, just a few minutes back, I have generated this countryside home. As you can see, I didn't meet my expectation, but still it looks like it's good. So now I'll tell you that what you can do. As you can see here, so in order to upscale your image, you just need to come to your image generation. Okay, come to the image generation, image creation, or image creation, and then from here you need to come here, generation history, and then from here you have to select the image. Okay, you can simply select the image, and from here, as you can see here, more image upscaler, you have the option. So click here, and then as you can see here, you have two options available. Okay, one is Alchemy smooth upscale, and another one is Alchemy crisp upscale. You can just read this one. An upscaler that works well with a focused subject but can end up smoothing out fine detail. A great balanced upscaler which retain a good amount of detail and crispness to the image. So I think this one is better. So just select on the upscale and then go back. And from here, as you can see, it is working, right? So now let's wait for a few seconds and then check how does it look like. Now let's click here. And then as you can see, it has given us a very clear and crisp looks. And it's pretty much good than the previous one. I hope this video definitely helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, bye bye, take care.